So just to recap, in the last video we had this problem here, and we've factored the numerator, we've factored the denominator, we've factored the numerator, and factored the denominator. Now at this step we've taken the restrictions by looking at each of the terms in the denominator and saying what value of x will cause them to go to 0. So the next step now is to take the reciprocal of the second rational expression and change the operation to multiplication. So we've taken the reciprocal now, and now we can state the added restrictions is x minus 3 can't equal 0, so x can't equal 3. X minus 4 can't equal 0, so x can't equal to 4. And now I just take my red pen out and I cancel out what needs to be canceled out. And notice everything's been canceled out. And this is the real point of this question. If everything's been canceled out, that's the same idea as if I have a fraction like, let's take for example a fraction over here like 5 over 5. Well, we all know 5 over 5 cancels out and simplifies to 1. So if all the terms in my numerator and all the terms in my denominator all the terms in my numerator and all the terms in my denominator cancel out, I'm left with 1. So when you're multiplying and dividing rational expressions, the key thing is to be able to factor quickly and then to state your restrictions and then cancel out the appropriate terms. There are lots of shortcuts you can take with this as you become more proficient at this technique. Again, for our purposes right now, if you're having trouble, is start by looking at this step-by-step process, and then as you go through the step-by-step process, looking at ways you can optimize it, that is, speed it up. So for example, here an observation would have been to cancel out the x minus 9s in this first step. Good luck.